as well as state level, and the champions who brought the medals for our school in the nationals too. So for this entire journey of your sportsmanship under the guidance of beloved your principal ma'am, as well as your young and most talented sportsman as the coach Nikhil sir, and but obvious all the coordinators of yours, as well as the sports coaches. I think there should be a loud and louder than all of that because of all the coaches who are really taking efforts for you, and none other than all of you who participated different level of games, different level of sports. I think the gold medalist, the bronze medal, and as well as the silver medal. Here is the summit where you are going to have a different skills, knowledge. You are going to share your experience, as well as we are going to appreciate all of your efforts and the champions, winners as well as. So from today onwards, you are going to be a role model of CM International School. As you are going to motivate yourself as well as the younger children or the students of school who are going to follow you, right? So congratulations to all of you, and we are really proud of you that you are the faces of CM International School. Thank you so much.
Hi. First of all, I extend gratitude to the management of our school, Appa sir, Sagar sir, Rupali ma'am, and the young and dynamic Jayavardhan, who has come up with this idea of Summit of Champions. As very well explained by sir, why this summit? Because we wanted to bring all of you to a platform where we can tell all of you that you are the role models of the school, you are the torch bearer of CM International School, sports department, and all the other students of not only CM International School but the SKP Sports Academy, other institutes of our campus, and all the young ones, the players of our vicinity. They look up to you when you bring any laurel to the school or even participate in any activity. We share it on the social media. The people come to know about this, and then we get positive feedback from everyone around. And now we have reached a stage where we need not do any marketing for our school's admissions. You are the faces of our school. Your achievements are the mouth publicity which is happening on behalf of the school. So thank you so much, dear students. I wish all of you good luck for your future endeavors. You are on a right track, and I want all of you to continue on the same track. But remember one thing, respecting your coaches who are there at the ground level with you, who are there at the school level with you. Wherever you reach in your life, when you grow up as a player or otherwise also, the teachers, the coaches who are there with you at this stage, you always remember their hard work and efforts which they are taking for you day in and day out. Once again, thank you so much, Sagar sir, Rupali ma'am. And of course, we should not forget the efforts of the team leader, Mr. Nikhil Karnawat, his planning and his efforts, sending all of you to various venues for various competitions. He deserves a big round of applause for his efforts for the school. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank Appa sir, Sagar sir, Rupali ma'am, Iqbal ma'am, all the coordinators, and all the people who are behind this event making this a successful one which we are starting right now. This is a time not only for our players but also for our coaches. We should not forget their efforts. It may be any time our coaches, sometimes there were one coach who have been gone for CBSE matches for 3 to 4 venues because it was necessary. So I would like to thank all the coaches behind this, which they have made our school proud in all the competitions, DSO, CBSE, everywhere. I would like to also take everyone's names over here. The football coaches, Ashish sir, Manohar sir, give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Our basketball coaches, Dipali ma'am, Sudarshan sir. Our cricket coaches, Dinesh sir and Rajesh sir. Our skating coaches, Vivek sir, Kapil sir, Ankita ma'am. Gymnastics coach, Vaishali ma'am. Athletics coach, Sajid sir. Table tennis coaches, Ganesh sir, Manoj sir. Our chess coaches, Sarika ma'am, Mayuri ma'am and Purti ma'am. And last but not the least, Taekwondo coach, Jai sir. And our archery coach, Aniket sir, he is gone for some event today, so he is not present. I would like to thank all the coaches for your efforts. We have a long way to go ahead. It's time to just keep on working and growing from here. Thank you so much, everyone.
I would like to thank the entire staff for putting all of this hard work and making this ground very amazing. I would also like to thank the cafe for this school, and most of all, thank you to all my teachers, the ones who supported me and told me that I shouldn't give up. These coaches include Ankita ma'am, Sajid sir, Dinesh sir, Rajesh sir. They have all supported me and encouraged me on my way. They have helped me through my entire sports journey. So I would like to thank those coaches and everybody. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. So I'm Purva
everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Ms. Agni Mehta, currently studying in grade 6. Tonight I stand here with immense gratitude towards my coaches, Sudarshan sir and Dipali ma'am, my dear teammates and also our principal ma'am who has given this a great opportunity. Their dedication became the backbone of our journey. I recall struggling in our tough times, our team spirit shone brightness during our tough time when we had lost a crucial match, but learning and growing stronger. This defines sportsmanship. Ending my words, let's cherish these moments and this special occasion. Thank you.
So, hello everyone. Myself Priya, I'm from 11th grade. I'm a national medalist and I have won silver medal in 200-meter event. And I've also represented our school in ZP inter-school competitions. I won gold medal in 100-meter hurdles race. And I would like to thank all the sports staff who have supported and helped me. So yeah, thank you. Hello everyone, I am Bhakti. And I really want to thank everyone in this school. They have supported me a lot. I like to thank Nikhil sir. He had supported me a lot, like the timing. When I came to school, I was like, hey, I will not get the concession the timing, but he had really given me the concession timing. And I would like to thank Ankita ma'am. She's like my sister. She had really supported me a lot. Thank you everyone. Thank you my class teacher also. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Tanvi Patil and my name is Sadhna. We both are here because of the cricket team and I'm here because of lawn tennis also. So we will like to tell you that this is our school's first girls cricket team and we enjoyed a lot because of Dinesh sir and Rajesh sir. They are the inspiration for us. So we were proud to be the first girls cricket team from our school. And we would like to thank Shraddha ma'am, principal ma'am, Nikhil sir, Chandrakant sir, Dinesh sir, Rajesh sir, and everyone in our school to encourage us and to give this position. And I would like to thank my parents also because they also encouraged us. So thank you. Thank you. Good evening everyone, I'm Brinda. Today I'm here because of my coaches, Vaishali ma'am and Ankita ma'am. Because of their unwavering support, I'm standing in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Brinda. Gold medalist at national level in track cycling and road cycling. Sport has taught me a lot of things. One of them being that no matter how many times you fail, you still have to get right back at it. And the importance of a coach in your life. The values and the principles that they teach us I think, cannot be learned anywhere else. About our school, CM International School, Shraddha ma'am, Iqbal ma'am, they have supported me a lot and in any way, in studies and even for attendance purposes. They have fully supported me in my journey and they have always backed me. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone. My name is Aradhi Gupta and I would specially like to thank Aniket sir and Nikhil sir for supporting me a lot. And during my practice for the championships, I was facing challenges, but they both stood behind me and helped me. And because of them, I am here. And Aniket sir also guided me to do exercises, regular practice and all. Because of them all, today I am on this position. And especially, I would like to tell you that we all have gathered here especially for this event only. And we are also getting a chance to share our experience with you all. Especially, I am getting a chance. So, I would like to thank everybody for giving me a chance and a stage. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shaurya Gupta from class 10th A. I would like to give a big round of applause for Dinesh sir and Rajesh sir. They have helped the cricket team, the sport of cricket, for reaching CBSE, not CBSE, DSO, ZP and Sakal. And special thanks to Nikhil sir also, and for the arranging the 4 to 6 classes, extra classes for many students. So thanks to everyone. Thank you.
Staff and all the teachers for supporting me always, because during my practice days I was facing a lot of issues related to my attendance and my studies. But Shraddha ma'am, Iqbal ma'am and Nikhil sir as well gave me the opportunity to adjust my attendance and attend my practice sessions. And I think what I've achieved today is only because of the practice I did and the permission I got from Iqbal ma'am, Shraddha ma'am and Nikhil sir. One thing I would like to say is sports is a very crucial thing in our life. Without sports, I think I would not be the same person that I am today. And even for the people who are not playing any sports, I would suggest them to at least do some exercise daily. And it increases your competitiveness, it gives you a lot of motivation, it gives you the ability to stand up even after failing many times. And yeah, thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Vaidhira Varke from class 8B. First of all, I would like to thank the school management because not many students get the opportunity to go for matches who are like a lot of younger students don't get the chance to go out of their state or any far away place from our houses. So especially for girls, so it's like a very big thing for us. Also the coaches to handle us, our chaos over there and our captains also, because it's very difficult for them to handle us there, the chaos, and we are talking with everyone while playing with the matches and all. As a girl child who has been playing sports from the age of 6, I have played various sports like gymnastics, skating, football, floorball, and the list goes on. So nothing much, but just keep trying, you will be able to do it. Thank you.
So, good evening everyone. Myself Kavina Sunil Kumar. I play table tennis. So, first of all, I would like to thank my coaches Ganesh sir and Manoj sir. So, because of them, I have come this level. I would also give special thanks to Sagar sir, Nikhil sir, and Principal ma'am. Because of them too, because of these people, me and my team has won a bronze medal in CBSE. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, I am Anandita and I am from the Kho team. So first of all I wanted to thank Vivek sir because first when I thought of joining the Kho team I was not really sure, and I personally joined the Kho team because I like Kho. I had played Kho in 6th grade and because my friend was joining. But as I joined the team I felt like this is a team where I can play and where I don't want to play for winning, I want to play because I want to enjoy the game with all my friends. So I want to thank Vivek sir for believing in me and in my team that we can win. So in the recent games in DSO, our girls team won the 2nd prize, and I want to thank Vivek sir for that because we were confident but we didn't thought that we would win because we were yes, we will play. And thank you so much all the coaches, Nikhil sir, even Principal ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, to give this opportunity to us for us to go there and to play. So thank you so much to the school management and thank you so much Vivek sir.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Abhina Damani from Inspiring 6C. Today I am standing on this position because I have played many of the matches of tennis. First, I would like to thank Ms. Iqbal ma'am for this principal of our school, coordinator, secondary coordinator ma'am, Ms. Shraddha ma'am, and our tennis coach
didn't focus on this, but when I joined the classes and I started to realize how sports is very important, this activity has made me very fun for me. I can change my mood by playing tennis. I know because it helps to remind me every time which I play tennis every hour. Still, I know that sometimes I'm not possible to play, but still I love to play tennis. Now, I would like to thank Chandrakant sir because every time I have found many times, but still they have given the courage to give me tips how to play, how to win, and how to tackle the players. Still, I will now thank everyone for this.
Everyone, my name is Rukwed and I am a 9 years old skater. I feel so happy and proud to stand here as one of the sports champions. I started skating 3 years ago and I want to thank my coaches a lot. I started with beginner. It was very hard, but I didn't give up. My coaches always encouraged me to keep trying. After getting some confidence, I moved to inline skates. Then I have fallen many times, but I did practice and hard work. The most important thing was being selected for the Indonesia skating competition held in March 2024. I won silver medal and it was very tough. My coaches supported me and teach me very things, very much things. I want to say all of you, sports is not just being the best, it is being your best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shratni Panhale from 6th B. I am over here because of our sports sir, most probably in basketball and lawn tennis. I would like to thank our Chandrakant sir and Sudarshan sir and Dipali ma'am because they support me as much as they can. Even my friends and family support me as much as they can. That's why over here I am there. And you should also learn that we have to do a sportsmanship and do something for our sports sir because they are supporting us very well. And uh, we have to just learn from what we have done the mistake in games or why we have lost the game. Sometimes wherever we can win, like that we win the DSO match second prize and our sir get very good. He feels very happy and he also support always us for our winning. So thanks for Sudarshan sir and Dipali ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry, good evening, good evening. We are the football kids. We obviously you all know we've achieved a lot of stuff. I'm Riya. I'm Shalini. I'm Anna. So we want to thank everyone, the school staff, Ashish sir, Nikhil sir, Principal ma'am, and Shraddha ma'am. Mostly Ashish sir because I remember the time when I had joined football, I had cried because I didn't get to play a tournament. But then we got like a girls team and then I started achieving a lot of things. Thank you sir. So I am here to say